Let's put it in order. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Wherever you put it, that will be. We'll just say 1 is here.
Halfway.
This is my new YouTube channel. Don't make a mess. You probably should have grabbed another beaker to hold this stuff over as you.
Oh, does somebody want to get a paper towel in case he spills? Try to make it exactly the same, or as close as you can. Krista, can you go in there and get a few paper towels just in case we accidentally spill or something?
In case? Don't you mean when?
Have I ever spilled anything?
Do you really want to answer that question?
Okay.
The answer is probably not.
Okay, great. Thank you. All right. Now, what's the next
Close
thing
enough.
to?
Here, and we'll get ready to
Put the
cut the
3
pumps.
tubes in the large beaker,
Super soldier saying.
not the one being heated, so that they stand
Save
up.
thought.
Okay, we made a substitution.
Hit the
We
screen.
actually have a
Super Soldier Serum screen.
test tube holder, so
Blue.
we don't need a large beaker. We will use
This one has
the.
a little more.
So do you want me to go on to number 5?
There we go.
Yeah. All right. Yeah. Go on to number 5.
So to the last test tube, number 4,
There.
we need a 4th one.
Right there.
Yeah.
Add only enough toilet bowl cleaner to fill it 1/8 of the way full.
1/8.
And then you're going to use tap water to dilute the toilet bowl cleaner until the test tube is half full, like the others.
Okay, then
That's good.
That looks like an 8.
maybe a little more.
Close the damn mouth.
Because this is a half. I mean, this is a half. So this would be a 4th. So an 1/8 would be maybe right here.
That's like a 16th.
Yeah, you got a 6th.
Too much.
Yeah. So how about now
Seth, you're
put
fired.
tap water in it to get it.
Don't, Seth.
No,
Don't. Just let it be.
No pour back?
Let it go.
Yeah.
Let it go.
Tap water then?
Let it go.
Well, you can always pour a little bit in this. You can pour a little bit in the sink. It's for cleaning toilets.
This is going to become a very boring YouTube video very
Oh, I
quickly.
think this is starting to. Boil.
So it's halfway.
See, by the time we get through all this little part, the water will be boiling.
This is good.
Yeah.
Good thoughts. Good thoughts.
I think it's already boiling, so we want to.
Apple.
We don't want to lose all the water. So
Cable
we,
I got with Apple.
Well, that's.
The battery?
We just want it boiling a little. We don't want to
Christmas.
lose all the water.
I wonder where those are.
Okay, so you diluted it
Better
now.
questions where they're not.
All right.
Walmart,
Who's good with
Costco.
knives?
Me,
You wanna
once
do-
again.
That's not
Okay,
good.
well, he's got the gloves.
I'm
No, we'll have somebody else with the knife. All right, so
Ben,
what's
I'll
it say here now?
That's water.
Take and
Why are you trying to videotape that? Why?
acid
Because-
tablet and
Oh wait, you
use
should.
knife.
Wait, you should be the videotaper and the knife at the same time.
Aw, you take away all the fun.
Set it down.
Go ahead. If you cut the book a
I'm not
while.
trying to do this. So much.
Try not to cut my
Try to
book.
cut it into 4 equal pieces, and don't cut yourself.
Actually, you can do this. I'm gonna break them.
Don't. Just
I'll do it. You
I
got
can try it though first.
slow. If you, do you want a serrated
Just
knife?
don't cut your finger.
Do you want a serrated blade?
This is not sharp enough, I don't think.
Here.
Just
Do you want
like
mine?
push it
This is
down.
one of our sharpest
Noah?
knives.
No? Do you want my knife? My knife's sharper.
See?
You use my knife, it's sharper.
That's why I got 4 of them, just in case.
This is why I bring a knife every
Get out of my
day.
face.
Never know when to use it.
It smells horrible.
Okay.
It's like, well,
Toilet bowl cleaner.
smell that.
Sulfuric
So
acid.
maybe if you like hold it here, push it, and I'll hold
I
it
see an arm.
together so that it breaks.
You want to push her?
Sulfuric acid and rubber.
There we go.
So did you get a little bit of the toilet bowl cleaner?
And then do the same thing the other way.
It's sulfuric acid and
Yeah,
rubber.
into 4 pieces.
Oh, that's very good. How did you do that? That's
Very,
nicely
with a
done.
sharper knife, probably. Now, I wish I'd have my other knife.
That knife looks
smell
sharp.
horrible.
Oh, yeah, my.
I don't know what that smell
I'll
is.
sit there. I'll sharpen my knives for hours for no reason at all. I won't use the knife since the last sharpening. But I'll
Now,
still
who has knives on them like that?
sharpen. Me?
That was your knife?
Yeah, it's my knife.
Okay, that looks
One of
like
my
pretty. That's
3
good.
then.
Okay, who has some stomach acid right now that they would just because we have some extra tums
Thank you,
that apparently didn't need to be used. All right.
Seth, what are you supposed to?
It's sulfuric acid.
Yeah,
It smells
you
like
go on
well
that.
water.
Yeah.
It sounds like egg.
Yeah, that smells
Yeah, well
Oh,
water.
it's
So next we're gonna
Sulfur, that's what I was looking for.
Smelled like a.
Well, she
hate
forgot
that
to
crap.
give me a spoon.
Spoon.
No, it's right here.
Oh, she did remember the spoon. Okay,
I'm gonna take one of the
how about one of you two, or any, we want to grind one of the, we want to grind one of these up. Maybe it'd be good to do it on a paper so that,
Which one, a quarter?
Probably.
just pick one of them and grind it up into
Just a
tiny
quarter?
little pieces. Yeah, try to grind it up into fine powder.
Done.
Oh, that didn't take long.
Wow.
It's essentially just chalk.
Get away from me.
It's no better than chalk. It's the same stuff. You may want to turn your water down just a little more, Phil.
Look at this.
There you go. Good job.
That's very good.
You successfully pulverized a quarter of a tons in half a second.
Wow, look at that water ball.
That's what it is. It's cleaning stuff. It's literally sulfuric acid.
Oh, I went the wrong way.
Actually, this stuff is the worst.
If you put this,
I think if I let it go any
take
more,
some
the flame's
aluminum
gonna go
foil.
out.
Oh dear.
Aluminum foil.
Oh.
Yeah, say it again.
Aluminum foil.
Okay, now I
Aluminium
guess it wants
foil.
you to get it into the spoon. Fill
Yes,
the
it will.
spoon with the powder.
Amazing explosion.
Or I wonder if it might be easier just to like,
Just
turn
use
that
a-
into a funnel and
Yeah, I'll do
get
it.
it in. I think we'll,
Put it in
we'll
which one?
improvise a little bit. Okay, it says once the water is boiling,
Probably in one,
remove the beaker from. Oh, sorry.
Wait,
just
where am I
dead.
where am I putting this?
in a spoon.
Oh.
Okay, so once the water is boiling, remove the beaker from the flames of the boiling pot.
Okay.
No, we're not. This is not cocaine. This is Tums.
Now, what's it say next?
Test tube number
gonna
3
happen.
into the hot water.
Test tube
Okay.
Into
three
the
is
hot
Can
water.
you put that into
Here,
the
I'll
hot
hold a
water?
spoon.
Except for
I was about to. I'm just not going to move.
Okay,
I'm just
remember
gonna
this
stand
one
here.
is number 3.
This is 3.
That's 3.
Seth.
Remember this YouTube audience.
And
This
then
is
we're
3.
gonna place a piece of that in each one of them.
Okay, well, it says in 1, 3, and 4.
1.
Don't break it.
I put it in right now.
Yeah.
1,
Yeah.
3, and 4. Leave it out at
Yeah.
2.
Wait, that's.
Okay, can everybody come around here and you need to observe.
Here's.
So what am I
Okay,
doing
and
with
then,
this spoon?
then what's the next thing say?
Put the
Take
powder
the powdered acid in the spoon and put it in number 2.
Okay.
It's just chalk. I mean, it's not going to really hurt you.
No, I'm just trying to get it all in.
Okay, does someone have a timer that we can,
It's right here.
we're gonna start
We're
5
recording.
minutes, and
Start it. I
it
can't.
says to start
How long?
stirring the,
I'll do math.
Which one?
2.
okay, yeah, how
Probably.
about start stirring
How long?
all of them a little bit,
This
and
one's
for
about
over
to
the
fall
course
over,
of 5
you're saying.
minutes.
Okay.
All of them?
Yeah.
Wait.
Stir
No.
all-
Now.
Yeah, we're gonna have a little.
Okay. So at 13 minutes of a video, this you should stop stirring.
Ready?
Okay.
That works.
Ready?
Yeah.
Come on, you're almost there.
Oh, no, leave,
Wait, what?
Oh, it's gonna go over the top?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yes.
Overboil.
Come on.
okay. And then stir that one. Well, I don't know if you wanna stir that one.
That's probably not
That
a good
looks like
Seth,
it's-
Seth, it's probably not a good idea to be putting the rubber on the hot glass.
It doesn't feel that hot yet.
Seth, can you feel your
I
hand?
was
Oh,
just
wow.
Seth, is your hand burning?
Guys, look at this one. The
I was just.
2. Look at number 2.
Point,
That's
zoom in on
4.
that one. Zoom on that one.
That's 4. I can't. I've already
It's
done that.
going over.
I feel like I should have,
Okay,
like,
what
an
do we do
evil
if it
chuckle.
goes over?
Look
Because
at
it's
that one,
going
look
over.
Pick it up instead of.
That's
under-
why he has
No,
gloves.
this one.
That,
This one.
This one's going over.
Put a paper
Seth,
towel
yours
underneath
is
it.
going
Put a paper
over.
towel. Put a paper towel. Put a paper towel.
I'm not.
This is
Just
what we do.
hold it.
This is what happens when we pan.
Good too.
There we go. We're good.
Okay.
Okay, who's, somebody tell me where are we at in the time?
We're at 9 minutes. We have to stop at 15. So.
I thought I said 13.
13. Yeah, that's.
I can't even stir that one.
I feel like I should, like, I don't know. Like an
That's
evil
right, because we
chuckle
start
or
at 8.
something.
So yeah,
What?
so that'd be
But, like,
13.
an evil laugh.
What now?
See
Huh?
that one, you can see the bubbles there, looks like that is
I gotta get this
bubbled
up yes.
over.
Tomorrow.
Smell it.
I can't smell it, but
You can smell it, Tums.
Yeah, it's all over your face. It's chalk, really. Oh dear.
Yeah, I could never eat Tums. It actually had the opposite effect on me.
Really?
Yep.
It'd give you that.
Okay, you
Well,
just
like
try to
if
stir
I had
that
like
one.
a stomach ache
Oh,
and then
dear.
I took it, it just got worse.
I get nauseous from this stuff. So I mean,
Just because the flavors is like, yeah.
No, it's just because of the texture for
and
me.
it's chalky, like
It-
nasty.
Are the bubbles going down at all?
Tums pretty much is
This
chalk.
one is somewhat.
That one is
The
definitely.
heat probably just make it too.
Maybe try stirring that one a little more. See if it'll.
It's going down now.
You're not doing it.
Once
Ten.
it goes down,
What are
Whoa.
you doing?
As soon as I turn it in, it starts to go up.
Careful. Be very, very careful. Don't make big mess.
Seth, look
Big
at
mess
this.
takes
Seth, look
Wile.
at this one.
What?
Big mess takes a while to clean up.
I can't really go any further or it's gonna go.
okay, maybe you can like move it around
Okay.
or. Is that mainly bubbles or is it?
It's
Yeah,
mainly
it's bubbles.
I think all of the Tums turn to bubbles. The other ones are still fizzing on the
Is
bottom.
there any Tums left in that or is it
That one?
bubbles?
This one has a teeny bit of Tum left.
Good to view.
This
can't.
one, oh, I can't
Ah.
see. It has some Tums left. That
Yeah,
one's
that's just
bubbles.
bubble. That's just all bubble.
Seth.
That's red. That's beet red. That's cool looking. Look at that. That's cool. That's just beet red.
Oh, this is cool now.
You got a couple more minutes. You got a couple more minutes to go. You got 3. There's 2.
What's the time?
Is there any Tum left?
Currently at 11
I
minutes.
don't see any.
You have 2 more minutes.
What we want to do is see how much of any of the
Oh, do you mean to stir that one now?
is left
for a couple
after
minutes.
5 minutes.
5 minutes. Well, we have about 2 minutes to go.
All right,
That's cool though, the red.
and then we'll put our observations. How much of the Tums, if any, is left?
Leave observations in the comments.
So we'll write that in the
Just
book.
as YouTube it.
We'll make observations.
I do YouTube this.
I think this one is pretty
And
obvious.
as of next week when this goes up.
There's a
You
new
mean
Is there anything left in this
Let's
one,
go
or
on.
is that
Let's go
all?
on.
Looks
Next
like
Thursday.
it's like
Why is it
all
taste so?
Because that's just what I have set up to go.
that
So how many subscribers do you have?
right?
Just wash your hands when
Depends
you're
which
done.
channel. This one's going up to my new channel, which only has 3.
Joyous?
This one's only going, this is going up to my new channel, which only has 3 subscribers.
Okay.
But there's no videos up, so you can't find it yet.
Do you want to be a chemist?
So the other one I think is like
Yeah, that was way
14.
too overdone.
Can you open YouTube right now?
I don't know if you ever saw that.
I know my one video where there's
Frozen.
there's a couple of them. There's right up. No? What?
Joyous.
I'm not paying attention to my video. Sorry about that.
It's kind of funny to have a cartoon music.
Try
That
editing
was
that
kind
out.
of weird.
Alright, we're at
Yeah.
What's your video called again?
this one? Doesn't have a name
Yeah.
yet.
No, the one you
I saw
like.
like, I saw like,
Capital T, H-E, capital
What does that
G,
stand for?
H-E.
yeah.
I need something messing up. Oh, I'll write
saw
that
Cinderella.
Did you?
one. 30 seconds.
Who'd you go with?
I was only paying attention for half this conversation. What happened now?
Cinderella.
Something about
Saw
Cinderella.
the new Cinderella.
That was good because it actually stuck to the story. Usually
Well, I
they're
haven't
like
seen it.
a
Is
way
that any
off.
good?
Cinderella?
Yeah.
They actually stuck to the storyline. It was actually pretty cool.
They didn't have the part, the true Grimm story though, they cut
Yeah.
off the stepsister's heel to try to fit into the shoe.
Yeah,
Did? I don't remember that
one
part.
that's what's in the original
That's actually
story.
in the original
Really?
story.
Did they have that in a cartoon?
'Cause we
No.
had both- yeah.
No, let's put it this way. Most fairy tales that you see in Disney making,
The
if you
Grimm
read the
fairy
original
tale,
versions-
they didn't say Grimm for nothing.
I didn't know
They
it was a cartoon.
sanitized them for Disney.
yeah, if you read the original versions
They're
of
actually
a lot of these
horrible
fairy tales are, let's put it this way, there's more violence in those than war books.
Set that Minerva.
Yeah, what about that one German
Minerva senior.
fairy tale? That's pretty creepy.
Which one?
Really?
Hansel and Gretel?
That senior
Eh,
you won it all.
cool.
A woman eating kids?
Yeah, well, I mean that's kind of your standard definition of a witch
Right. It's just,
or an evil lady.
Left. Probably take it camping and then only last for a minute.
Or a cannibal.
Okay, are we?
Oh, we're good. Yeah, kill. I'm not paying attention.
Okay.
Sorry.
Is the 5 minutes up?
Yep.
Alright, so, is there any,
nope. Oh,
maybe a little bit.
Yep, it's on the top.
Oh, it's on the top. Oh yeah, right there.
oh yeah,
That's
okay,
cool.
so,
Close to preview.
alright, so put it
That's
in
what
your
I want.
observations, however you want to describe, in test tube 1, there was a small chunk of, how about in test tube number 2? Is there any remnants of,
This is one I'm showing.
I would say not.
There's a little right up
Does that look
there.
completely
It
dissolved?
kind of pops around every now
Do
and
you
then.
see any flakes or?
There we go. Got it.
Alright, so number 2 dissolved completely.
Number 3's in the hop.
How about
Number 1 is not. There's a little bit up at the very top. Right by the bubbles.
Number 1 was like just
Very, very little chunk.
nothing special was done. How about number 3? Do you see any? Do you see any tum left in here?
I see no Tom, but I see some red. I think the red looks cool. I think that looks neat.
Look, it looks like plum or something.
Yeah, it
What
does.
was
It looks,
for number 3?
3.
2 was
2 is clean. 3 is clean.
What's
yeah.
the,
2, okay, 3.
Three is- oh,
3
just
is nobody see. It looks like it's completely dissolved.
Is that the one in the heat?
Yes.
Yeah, 3 is the one in the heat. 2 was the one that was chopped up into a bunch of pieces.
That was like vaporized in a second.
Okay, how about number 4?
Sudsy, but none. I saw at least. Oh, well, wait. Down there at the bottom, maybe.
It's like it's barely started, right?
Yeah.
Or so, like it
Down
looks-
there.
Seems like
That's
about
the one
half of
little
it's
bit.
left.
Yeah, about half.
About, would you say
Whoa,
about half
follow
of that? Or maybe more than a half.
Yeah.
Was that the pieces or no?
No, yeah,
this
that's a
is-
chunk.
This is the one that was a chunk, but. Okay,
There's still a
so
chunk down there.
about half or more?
Yeah, about half or more.
What do you think?
about a half, yeah. So so it looks like you could see definite things. So 2 and 3 dissolve completely. One most of the way, or like what do you have, a little chunk left?
Yeah.
And 4 was and then we'll just allow this stuff to cool and I'll clean up at the end of the class. Yeah.
What was number 4?
Number 4 was about half.
Yeah, do you, how about
Have
take
to.
a look at it?
I was about to say, I can hold it up. 'Cause I want to get it back on my camera. I need to get my real camera in. I got an actual camera. I hold it.
That'll be interesting to see at the end of the class, but within 5 minutes, there's still a lot left.
How's your hand?
So we'll be right back, guys.